So the question's been asked, what did we buy at the model show? I didn't really buy much, but I'll tell you what I did buy. I bought a tap, a 1/4 inch 20 UNC something tap. It's for camera threads. Bought the correct drill bit as well to make some camera threads. See it there? The tap. So what this does, this allows me to make, see that thread in there? To make that thread and other things. So I can start making my own mounts for certain things. Yeah, it's a funny size there, it's not a metric tap. It's not a metric size, it's some funny size thing. This project, this is like a holder for my phone. That's a bit you grip. As you can see, when you screw it off, it's got a thread there. So you can mount it, screw that in, and mounts into a tripod. What I want to do, yeah, so I haven't got to unscrew it to mount onto the tripod, I want to make a thread in there so I can screw it directly onto the tripod. So that's what we're going to do now. That's all set up now. We're going to do it straight. By putting this, it don't go pissed, it goes straight. Alright, so we now got the 5.1 drill bit in there, the correct drill bit for that tap. We just start off with these two smaller ones just to get the hole going. A tap in there now, we put a little bit of grease in there. We put it ahead just to get it centered, then we're gonna do it by hand. Yeah, it's perfectly centered now. We're gonna do that by hand, finish it off by hand. Go back and forth, we've got a bit of grease in there. So the fresh should be nice now, should be nice. Engineering, boy, engineering. So there it is. There is the finished product. See, there's the thread in the camera. And see that screw on now. No problem. So now that I can screw in there now. If anyone wants to borrow this tap and drill bit I got, let me know. You can make your own. If you want to do any modifications or make a mount or something. You see it? See the mount there? You see it there? So I can use the phone and the tripod to see it. Screws in the bottom there. See, as a camera, see? See, that's what you can do when you got the tap, when you tap your own threads.